Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is steamed vegetable and we are steaming Pak Choy. We are cutting up our Pak Choy now. Our Pak Choy is properly washed in salt water. Then we are cutting our carrots. Well, you know, carrots, we can choose whatever vegetable we want to put in it. Sometimes I use string bean, cucumbers, cabbage. There's so much things you can put, but it's steamed vegetable, so anything goes. But today now we are doing carrots and pak choy. So cutting my carrots, like I like my carrots in long size. You just give it that nice look. So I'm adding onion as my natural season, and I'll be adding sweet pepper as well. So first I'm cutting my onions in small sizes. I don't want to cut them too big because at the end of the day I want them to absorb in my steamed vegetable as much as possible. So I'm cutting one large onion, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my sweet pepper. You know, I don't have to tell you guys the great flavor that sweet pepper gives to your food. Sweet pepper is like salt, guys, go in everything. So here's my little twist now, and there's a method there's where every little thing that I do, there's a reason why I do it. So you notice I'm using garlic, so I'll use a lot of garlic in my steamed veg, and when I'm doing that I grate it. Reason why, it give it a flavor. When I grate it give that melting flavor over it with the butter. So I'm using a tablespoon of chiffon butter. You can use any butter you like, or you can use olive oil, coconut oil, whichever. That's just an option. I'm adding a little, like a teaspoon of Maggi season, and of course that is on my daughter's request, because she said, "Mommy, I don't want it to be too fresh." So you know, to get kids to eat the vegetable, we have to put our little catch me in it. Yeah, but I know for persons who don't like those seasons, do not have to go in there. So everybody do their thing different. What I'm doing now, I'm mixing everything together on the stove. I know I do not add water in my steamed veg because I don't want it to be watering and to be saggy. I do not add no water at all, guys. So start to gather heat here and ensure that your stove is at its lowest, very low, guys, because remember that I said that I do not add water in my vegetable because they're washed, they're basically wet, so they're springing its own water. Okay, we don't want a water vegetable. You see the color coordination. So I'm covering that for a couple minutes, and then I'm coming back. Look at this. Oh my god, smell good. Wow, thank you guys.